In this video I'm going to show you how to set text messages notification alert to sound longer. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first, open up your settings and there get into sounds and haptics. Now here tap on text tone. And there you can select any text tone that you want for your text message notification. You can hit on that and listen how it sounds, and you can mention that it sounds quite short. So all you have to do to make it sound longer is to scroll down to ringtone section, and you have to set ringtone instead of setting up other tones. You can hit on any ringtone and you see that it sounds quite longer, like that one for example, than other tones. So just set this ringtone to your text tone, and basically that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.